Hi guys, my name is Urvash Patel. First of all, I am introduced with my group, and my group is my name is Urvash Patel. And another three group members is Sharandeep Kaur, Paramjit Kaur, and Gurkiran. And in this group is Sharandeep Kaur is a software developer, and another three member me is Paramjit Kaur, and Gurkiran is a enterprise students. We are making an online food order app, and our client details is a Senzio, is a cafe restaurant, and is located in the Macquarie Center, Sydney. First of all, let's start with our project introduction. This project has divided two parts. The first part is based on the development of the mobile app, while the second part deals with the research work. On the development side, we are developing an online ordering food for the cafe restaurant, and the purpose of the application is to provide a solution for customer to order food online. And the customer will be able to order food and the track the order, as well as the payment gateway will be integrated into receiving payments online, for example like via Mastercard, debit card, as well credit card. On the admin side of the restaurant, the administration should be able to approve or reject any order at any point, anytime. By using this app application, the admin will be able to allocate any order to the chef and to the rider. After the application of the orders, chef and rider will perform their action from their respective panel. Now we talk about the research work. In the research work, we will gather the research papers related to the online ordering system. After analyzing the research paper, we will design the question that we will ask to different restaurant owners through email. First organization in honor Cafe Willow restaurant, and another organization mean our client of the Cinzio's Cafe restaurant in a Macquarie Center. After getting the response, we will analyze the response, and we will implement this analyze and in the development of our app to make it more useful and efficient. In this group, in three member of the enterprise student and one member is a software developer student. So it's the divided task by as per skill. And I have no development background, and I am a enterprise student. So, but my expertise in a research work. So that's why I have contributed to this project as the researcher. I have expertise in a research work, and I have basic knowledge of using the tools of designing. And as I don't have any development background, so I take part in the research work of this project and also designing some diagrams. In this project, I have designed the diagram by using the tools according to the user stories and satisfies the client requirement. Analyzing the different research and arranging the key points in the documents from the also part of my job. As well, I am collecting the different research articles and research papers, and also documented the response to the emails and the conclusion derived from the responses. And I have also my enterprise skill to improve my research work. I have analyzed the different research papers and then gathered by the other teammates for the extraction of the required information for the research work, and also use my designing knowledge to design the UML diagram for the project by using the tool. And I have also documented all the research work into document form and also contributed the project write-up documents. In this project, we were using the Agile Scrum model. Our project was divided into three sprints. In the first sprint, we were covering the user stories related to the development as well as the research related work, which includes the introduction and the literature review. Designing the use case and flowchart were also part of the first sprint since I am a researcher. So I was responsible for analyzing the research paper and documenting the introduction and literature review. Designing the diagram by using the tool was the part of my task. In sprint 1 is also completed the literature review in literature review comparison between online and manual ordering system. In by using the manual method is immersed lots of human error by the restaurant and works manage huge measure of the client, and this issue will do an incredible effect on the entire regarding the productivity. And on the other side, using the online food order app is a no chance of the human error as well. The in this system, in the order managed properly, because this system allowed the tracking of the order, and with help of this service, the restaurants manage can also manage the staff. This is the evidence of the analyzing of literature review in complete by sprint 1 in a comparison between online and manual ordering system. And the next graph is a design the UML diagram in a admin panel. Admin panel also include the login, add items, and update the detail of item, view items, order details from customer, selecting rider, send the details to rider, and also the add details of rider and add details of chef. The next diagram is showing the design of the customer panel. In customer panel include the sign up and sign up details page, and then after is the browser menu online, see the categories, see item of categories, select the items, place selected items in cart and enter the current location. As well include the provide location using GPS, place the order, select payment method and pay online via debit card or MasterCard. In Sprint 2, we cover the development modules and the remaining parts of the literature review, and also I was doing the task of the complete the diagrams of a DFL diagram and ERD diagram. In Sprint 2, analyzing the impact of online ordering system on revenue of generations. Since the many restaurant is implemented in the online ordering system, and I have lots of studies have been conducted how the online ordering system affect the revenue generation. Various companies is the offer to the post system to restaurant to shift to the this new business strategies. And the company has been published a report indicating the trends of online ordering in the year of 2021. And also the survey reflected that 32% of the sample population prefer online order as the desired ordering system and 33% choose to order to the phone. At the same time, the rest prefer using the application for the purpose. The evidence of Sprint to analyze the document of literature review. Impact of online ordering system on revenue of generations. This completed by the in Sprint 2, and the next diagram is the UML diagram designing the UML diagram is the user sent the order details to the restaurant and the restaurant sent to the order details to the admin. As well the admin sent the order details to the chef, as well the admin sent the order details to the riders. In this ERD diagram total 6 entities included in this diagram, and all over 6 entities is connected to the each other. First of all, user place the order and the enter the order details, and then after as well enter to the food details, and the chef is the prepare the order details, and then after is user check the order status, enter the order IDs and the check the order status, and the last over is the all after prepare the order is the takes the rider orders, and then after enter the rider ID, rider name and rider address, and also add to the rider contacts. In sprint 3, our task was the designing the remaining UML diagrams. For that, BPMN diagram, component diagram, activity diagram also covered the remaining parts of the research which we were going to conduct the project. We also work on the complete the development of the remaining modules on the admin panel, user panel, chef panel, and rider panel. In this sprint, my job is to analyze the response to the question from the restaurant owners and extracting the documenting the useful key points for the from the responses. And moreover, drawing the implement the conclusion for the app was the also part of my job in this sprint. This is the evidence of the sprint 3 in some questions and response of the two different clients. And the first client is the Willow Cafe and Restaurant, and another main client is our project client is the Cinzia Macquarie Center in the cafe restaurant. And also send the some question, for example, in the pandemic issue of COVID, how are you managing your class sales? As well, what is the impact of ordering system on the revenue generation? As well as well the choose the one of the platform of business of ordering, web or mobile, and how the why the this choose this is the evidence of the sprint 3, and also is the evidence in a design the BPMN diagram. In this BPMN diagram is the design the two rider is the customer and the restaurant, and the customer is the include the user. In the user I include the some features of the add item in the cart, add location, add payment, place order and feedback, and the rider include the check location and the deliver order. As well the chef is the include the prepare order and the update status. As well the admin include the add food items, accept order, accept chef, assign the rider and the check feedback, and the end of the systems. This is the component diagram. In this component diagram, the all data access of the customer, chef, rider, food items, payment and order status, and as well all to the connected in the system. As well the encryption and access control, as well the security and the persistence. And to the all security and persistence connected to the database connected to the via database. This is our the activity diagram. In activity diagram, start the process of the login into the food ordering system and then the check user level and permissions. And to the after check permissions is the connect to the manage customer, manage order, assign safe, assigning rider, payment management and the getting the feedback. And then after is the log out the system and the end of the process. In this project, I have learned the many unique things. I have used my research skills to analyze the research papers to gather the required information for the research work. In this way, I learn about different organizations, how they work, what are their challenges they face, and what are their needs in the business world. Also, I compare different organization, restaurant, and a cafe, and got to know different approaches toward business and managing different things in business. Also learn different key features of the tool used to the UML diagrams and learn of different key points for the professional documentations. And also this learning the better to develop better team buildings and communication skills, all the resources management skills and dealing with the client by reading the case studies and literature review and help me to learn the practical knowledge of the industries. And I have learned how to communicate with the stakeholders, how to manage the online food ordering system, how to survive in the market, and how the analysis through different diagrams and flowchart, which is very helpful to understand the implementation of the project. And the online ordering system is the automated and resource sharing, reduce a physical interaction between clients and our team. As well, I also learned the benefits of online ordering system, which improve the services of clients through the great flexibility and increase their professionalism. In this project, I like most about this project is that the provide of the professional skills, and as well the is the my all team members is the helping nature, and the any problem in a team members any task, so is the each other to help in this project. And for the improvement of this course, there should be sessions on different research tools and to improve the research approach. And the problems that I have faced due to the lack of communication between the COVID 19 situation and the team member during this project is the thing I like the least. In a overall is the good experience in this project. While working on this project in the starting, there we have faced so many difficulties and conflicts while doing this project. Due to COVID-19 situation, we have faced to faces a communications gap between the team, which is our main issue and concern. So first we work on this resolve the these conflicts and to make our team more productivity and efficiency. Working within a team is a good experience, for I have learned to so many things about the teamwork and how to work in a team, then will be helpful for me in the futures. In the my communication skill improve and the how to team leading the team leading. Thank you.